Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make waffles the Tyler, the creator way. First, combine your dry ingredients. 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and ½ teaspoon of salt in a large bowl. Whisk these together thoroughly to ensure even distribution. This foundational step is crucial for achieving the perfect texture in your waffles. Next, let's prepare our wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together 2 large eggs, 1½ cups of milk, and ½ cup of melted unsalted butter. Don't forget to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that extra touch of flavor. Gently combine the wet and dry mixtures, stirring until just blended. Overmixing can lead to tough waffles, so be careful. Now it's time to cook. Preheat your waffle iron to a medium-high setting. A well-heated iron ensures a crispy exterior. Lightly grease the plates with cooking spray or a little oil to prevent sticking. Pour about ½ cup of batter onto the center of the iron, or adjust based on your specific model. Close the lid and cook until golden brown and steam stops escaping. Once your waffles are golden brown and perfectly cooked, it's time to enjoy them. Serve them immediately to savor their warmth and crispness. You can top them with classic maple syrup, fresh berries, or a generous dollop of whipped cream. For an extra touch, a light dusting of powdered sugar always looks fantastic. Enjoy your delicious homemade waffles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.